Assalamu alaikum, students.
Wa alaikum assalam.
You're welcome to the great topic in Arabic grammar. And that topic is called Al-I'rab. Let's say together.
Al-i'rab.
Al-I'rab in English means inflection. It means what? Inflection. That is, we want to see how the end of a word, that is the last letter in a word, changes in a tarkib, in a sentence formation. So let's define al-i'rab. We say huwa taghyir. Let's say together.
هو تغيير
أواخر الكلمات العربية
أواخر الكلمات العربية
لاختلاف العوامل الداخلة عليها
لاختلاف العوامل الداخلة عليها
لفظا
لفظا
أو تقديرا.
أو تقديرا.
هو تغيير أواخر الكلمات العربية. Together.
هو تغيير
أواخر الكلمات
العربية.
It is the changing of the ends of the words of Arabic language. لاختلاف العوامل الداخلة عليها, because of different instruments. Al-awamil means effector, something that is making an effect on a particular word in a sentence, or we say instrument of change or effect. Ad-dakhilat, that are entering. Alayha, that is alal kalimat, that are entering onto the Arabic words. Lafwan, it can be pronounced. We can feel or see the pronunciation, and we can also call it. It can change in our mouth. Out taqdira, or the change is internal or embedded in the last letter. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
That is lafdhan. Lafdhan means we pronounce it. Taqdira means what we pronounce it does not show. That is, the change is what? Embedded inside the last letter. Are you there?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So let's look at lafdhan. Lafdhan, an example of lafdhan. So you say popularly, Zayd is always the focus. You say Ja'a Zaydun. Ja'a Zaydun. Ra'aytu Zaydan. And marartu bi Zaydin. So Ja'a Zaydun means Zayd arrived. Ra'aytu Zaydan means I saw Zayd. Marartu bi Zaydin means I passed by Zayd. So what's the focus of the... Something is constant in the sentence. Fatima, what name is constant in the three sentences?
Zayd.
Zayd. So that means we focus on Zayd. So in here, Zayd, here, Zayd, the last letter of Zayd is a dal, and that is the focus of al-i'rab. The last letter of a word. That is the focus of Arabic grammar, and that is also the focus of al-i'rab. So it has, what does it have? Dom. Are you there? So it is the subject position here. You say Ja'a Zaydun. Zayd arrived. But I change the position of Zayd to another position in a sentence. Then I say Ra'aytu Zaydan. I saw Zayd. Zayd becomes an object of the sentence. Therefore, al-maf'ul bihi in a sentence takes what? Fatha. So Zaydan. Then I change the position, the function of Zayd in a sentence again to ismu majrur. That is a noun that takes kasra, in which you have a preposition that is called al-ba before it. So I say marartu bi Zaydin. So Zayd is changing from Zaydun, Zaydan, Zaydin. Let's say together. Zaydun, Zaydan, Zaydin. And that is what is called at-taghyir. That's what it's called what? At-taghyir. That is what it's called al-i'rab. But what kind of al-i'rab is it? Is what? Lafdhan. You are pronouncing it. Do your lips around. Are you there?
Yes.
Then what happens? Your lips are what? Flat. Are you there?
Yes.
Then, din, what happens? The lower jaw moves down. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's look at taqdeeran. Let's look at what? Taqdeeran. So we say taqdeeran. For example, you say جاء هذا رأيت هذا مررت. Okay, no, that's not it. Okay, let's have another example. جاء فتى. So let's use فتى, a young boy. جاء فتى رأيت فتى and مررت بفتى. So جاء فتى means I saw a young boy. رأيت فتى means, sorry, جاء فتى means a young boy arrived. رأيت فتى means I saw a young boy. Then مررت بفتى means I walked by a young boy. What is the constant name in a sentence? Fatima.
Button.
Fatan. In the first sentence, you said Ja'a Fatan. In the second sentence, what do you say again?
رأيت فتى.
Is the last letter in the sentence, is it changing in your mouth?
No.
No. And what is the last sentence, the last letter?
Fatha.
The last letter now.
Ali.
Yes, it's called Alif. Is that why I put the Alif here? Or I mean that the Ya represents the Alif. And you take note of this kind of Alif or Ya. It does not have dots. The two dots that Ya has, it tells you that it is what? Alif. It tells you that it is what?
Ali.
Alif. When we get to few classes ahead, we're going to be telling us the name of this Alif. The focus of the class is for us to successfully define al-i'rab. Are you there?
Yes,
So
sir.
you say ja'a fatan. Ra'aytu fatan. Sukun on the alif, and marartu bi fatan is still sukun on the alif. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
And the reason is because alif in Arabic language does not have an haraka. Does not have what? Haraka. Alif in Arabic language, al-alifu khuliqat sakinatan. Let's say that.
الألف خلقت ساكنة.
Okay. So we say al-alifu khuliqat sakinatan. That is the principle. So what does it mean? It means that alif in Arabic language is created to have sukun. I'm not saying alif hamza. I'm saying an ordinary alif. So if you write an ordinary alif on the board, the rule says you must not give it fatha, kesra, or dhamma. We're going to tell us the reason for that in our subsequent class. So this is what is called at-taqdir. It's called what? At-taqdir. This is supposed to take dhamma, but the dhamma is where? It's embedded in the alif. Are you there? It's supposed to take fatha because it's in a object position. Where is the fatha? It's embedded in the alif. Are you there?
Yes.
The marar to be fatan. It's supposed to take kesra. Where is the kesra? It's embedded in the alif. So we say that is what is called at-taqdir. That is what is called what? At-taqdir. So let's have our class exercise. So the first sentence, قُلْ إِنَّ هُدَى اللَّهِ هُوَ الْهُدَى. Yes, Fatima. Which name in the sentence is repeated?
Huda. Huda.
Huda is repeated. So we have the first name here, Huda, and the second name here, Huda. What is the last letter of Huda here?
Alif.
Alif. What is the last letter of Huda here?
Alif.
Alif. Can you identify any haraka with the last letter Alif? The answer is
No.
no. But the question is it embedded inside the Alif?
Yes.
Yes. Then what type of i'rab is it? Is it lafzan or taqdiran?
Taqdiron.
Taqdiran. Ahsanti. The same for al-huda here. The haraka is embedded in the
Alif.
alif. And the type of i'rab here is what? Taqdiran.
Taqdiron.
Are you there?
Yes,
So
sir.
you say, Inna huda Allahi huwal huda. So huda here is occupying the fatha position. Are you there? But the fatha is not showing. Do you get it?
Yes,
Then
sir.
al-huda here is occupying the dhamma position. But the dhamma is not what? Showing. The dhamma is embedded inside the halif. While the fatha is embedded inside the halif. And that's what it's called taqdiran. إلى لقاء آخر إن شاء الله السلام عليكم
Wa alaikum assalam.